ithengwa ngama-dollar for 2 is one of the most commonly abused drugs. But injengo sibona njani esiwathi ngama-telltales ukuthi umuntu usebenzisa injengo. Umuntu onatha injengo liyambona ngokuzaca umzimba kodwa ikhanda liyale likhula esingakuthi yikuvuvuka. Simbona ngokuguga ijwabu liyamuncana ayisikho ukuthi usegugile but that person will be suffering from dehydration yikho kubangela ukuthi ijwabu lakhe limuncane. Ukuvuvuka kwekhanda kuthakwele use-affecta ama-internal organs akhe aziwa ukuthi yizo izinso angithi yikho kabe sokubangela ukuthi umuntu limbone esevuvuka ikhanda. So yikugula wena uthenge nge-dollar for 2 but for you to get treated kuzakuthathela imali enganani. It's one of the things you have to think about before you engage into starting to use injengu. From njengu I'll go to talk about its kind. Imbanje lezi nsuku seziphomba ubhenywa yonke indawo nje. Abantwana sekubabona labo bebancane benje thina sikhula sathi vele sikwesaba sezigcwele. But what happens when someone, what can you tell, how can you tell ukuthi this person is abusing imbanje? Bomama ezindlini ubona ngani nxa umuntu ebhema imbanje uyakhetha amasidi esikuthi yikusketha ayisikho yini ngapha ekhombini yikusketha nje. Yes, yikusketha sikhipha amasidi lapha hanti ngoba amasidi kuthiwa nxa usubhema yenza ukuthi kubabe right. So mama wena ungabona intanga lezi zincane but asontanga yomumbu asonyawuthi kona le nyawuthi but yona isini. It's one of the telltales that can tell you. Then we have small sachets. Afanana lama sachets lawana esiwafakela kuwo yamazambane. But when they are very small, ungafaka amazambane kuyangena 4 or 3. That is a telltale. What else can you see? Umuntu obhema imbanje has got a very huge appetite. The appetite, where is it coming from? Ingqondo iyabi ilombiko ongayisiyo vele esiswini ukuthi silambile la nxa umuntu esedlile. Umuntu lana uyaba le huge appetite but umzimba ukhulu. Lapho kumele kukwenza uzibuze ukuthi how come he's eating so much but umzimba kawukhuli. It's one of the telltales ukuthi this person is abusing imbanje. From mbanje I want to talk about umthoriro, the trouble drug, iguka, dombo, bawubu. How can you tell now ukuthi umuntu lo usebenzisa umthoriro? One, first thing yokuqala kuthomiwa thathane mawezi anoendelana nezwe utabe hambe baleka yonke indawo. Ubalekelani asihambele esitakaje ndiyakhathi kulamuntu sembaleka ubalekelani, there's no one behind you. Kuthomewa, it's all coming from kushandisa mthoriro. Then that person will be having zero or no appetite at all. If no appetite will lead to loss of weight. Why is the person losing weight? Why is the person not eating? There is a false message being sent from the stomach ukuthi ngisuthi la nxa umuntu engadlanga mama ulaye umntwana endlini kodwa yabona ukuthi ngaze lipheke litshele ishala namhla kadlanga kusasa kadli. Ask yourself, why is he eating? Akadli. It's because of mthoriro. It's one of the things that you can tell. What else? Umntwana kalali lina liyaphuma endlini sesiyalala yena khona belamandla more energy ezwayo uphuma phandle ukuthi hayi vele ngathi kusemini umuntu lwana umuntu ongalaliyo. It's also a sign that this person is abusing umthoriro. From mthoriro I want to talk about ibrongo. Umuntu okhwehlela nxa bafana bewubiza phandle lapha babedinga umuthi. How can you tell that this person is using ibrongo? Ibrongo liyambona ngokuvula amehlo kuphela sondikhanda. Limbiza umntambiza ngaphathi imbuya mina kustika ndokho athinothi kustika ukuthi la nxa ukubingelela my sister lapha siyadlulela isandla ngingakwanisi lokumbingelela. It's one of the telltales that you can tell that this person is abusing this cough syrup. Now what's wrong with this cough syrup? Here in Zimbabwe we have a board which is MCAZ which takes each and every product which has got a medicinal claim. MCAZ yathi yona icodeine which is in this bottle is too much than the regulated one. MCAZ yathanda thina njengeZimbabwe ngoba kwamanye amazwe uvunyelwe lo umuthi abanye bayawunatha but babona nanko yahlengisa abantu benganathi iyastika kule codeine. Icodeine yona leyo yiyo ebangela ukustika khonokho. Now abantu babe bebuzana ukuthi so senze njani mapholisa sesizile alright lokhu kokwenzakalayo ukuthi abantu bayasebenzisa izidakamizwa bayayenza so what can we do? How can we assist the police? Mina nkhankasa ngisithi you are the police, I am the police. All of us, we singamapholisa sincedisane. Wena usubonile ukuthi ku-375/2 Entumbane kuyathengiswa. Wena nxa usubhalela amapholisa usebenzisa ama-suggestion box ethenye nansi la, usibhalela incwadi yakho uthi ku-375/1 kulesihlahla ngesemengo, silegabha eliyi-green, phansi kwegabha kulephepha, phakathi kwephepha kulama-drugs. You have been the police because you have supplied us with the very correct information which will help us. Ungaphomba ukuthi esikolo laphana phansi kwe-10, that's not enough.